So now let's see how we can go ahead and utilize something called component inside of SketchUp. So for that, I'm just going to go ahead and draw out, let's say for example, this box right here. Let me just go ahead and pull this out right here. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to select all of these right here, or you can go ahead and triple click to select all and then right click and then choose make component right here. So now you can go ahead and give a name to the component. So I'm just going to go around over here and say, let's say for example, simple shape right here. So let's just go around over here, name it as simple shape, and then I'm going to go ahead and click on create, and there you go, it's a component. So it seems like there is a group of it right here. So now I'm going to go ahead and then let's say for example hold control on my keyboard right here. Let me just go ahead and use the move tool, and then let's say for example press control and then let go, and then move this right here just like this to go ahead and make a copy right here just like this. So you can see that there's a copy. Press control right here once more and then let go of control, click and drag this out right here, and there's another copy right here. Press control again and then click and let go, and then you can see that I got another group right here. So now if I were to double click on this particular component, you can see that it isolates this out. So now you can go ahead and make changes to it right here. So let's say for example I'm going to go ahead and make changes, and since this is a component, you can see that everything else changes out just like that as well. So if I were to go ahead and make a few changes right here for this component, then the related component right here which has been copied all will be changed out. So if I were to go ahead and make change right here, and let's say for example pull this out, you can see that the copy is reflected across all of it right there. And that is how you can go ahead and work around with component. Click outside right here by using the selection tool, and this is what you have. And that is how you can go ahead and utilize component inside of SketchUp. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.